Here, welcome back to the video. Actually, this first video pixel. So well, today I'm going to buy some packs for these almost 3,000 gems, and well, here we go. Well, I don't want to waste my time at all, so I'm going to start. I'm going to buy almost every pack in here because I don't want to spend it only on these packs. Yeah. So I'm going to buy Samurai first. Alright, let's check it. Oh, alright, that wasn't really good. Like, pretty cool actually for my set, but well, I don't really enjoy this, so let's drop this in here. In Yang Block, it got dropped from the first pack. So well, Samurai shoes. How the hell it will look like, but this is first pack. I'll put this here, alright. We open another one, alright. There we go in here, and we buy medieval pack. Yeah, alright, medieval pack, and brown leather pants might be okay. Pasta wallpaper really bad, and another shit. So that was really bad. This was in here. This and brown leather pants that are given kind of, well, it's like chainmail, but for legs, like given it five around seven chainmail for legs. So right, what is this? Alright, let's try this shit. I can even say what the fuck I just meant. Alright, only farm maples are here, so nothing special. Like, this is nothing special really. Only farm maples. I'll still find this. I had the money for a wedlock, but I decided to waste it to make this video. So, well, that's me. Alright. Right now, let's buy maybe another samurai. Alright, another samurai, and then I'm trying. Alright, 700. Alright, yeah, and then we buy CP another. So we buy another samurai. Oh, nice. Oh, that's cool. Holy fuck, dude! I made money? God damn you! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! What the fuck have I got? No way! What the fuck's that? What? What? No way! Hey boy, I made money, I think. Holy fuck! How the fuck? No, someone's coming. Oh no. Holy fuck, I think I made money. Holy fuck. How much is that? Oh my goodness. Oh, it does nothing but... Holy fuck. Look at this. This is getting a only... what? Almost. What the fuck? Look at this shit. Oh my god. We definitely made our money back, you know? Holy fuck, dude. My entire set, like, I can say, holy fuck. I cannot believe I'm gonna cancel this. Oh my goodness. Alright, well, I'll set that. Alright, there we go. Right, let's do this, and this. Holy shit, dude. How the fuck we made this? I got no idea, but it's cool anyway. Right, in the last pack today, we opened 500, 700, 650, 500. Alright, so what we're gonna buy is medieval pack for the last, and we open cast the wall. Shit. Oh, and throne ultra rare. Nice. Not bad, because I can say, but really, I'm really happy because I got this, and well, I'll come back. I just don't want to. Alright, and that's it. Yeah, that's it for today's opening. We made a Kabuto set, so I'm really happy. And we got the red gloves that really sized me. And well, that was shit, absolute. That was shit too. That was shit too. That was really good, and that was really good. So like, I made myself a new set. Yeah. Yeah. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Next video will be when I am going to farm all the way. Like I'm going to farm. Fuck. I'm going to farm all these fishy shit and the other stuff. So well, thanks so much for watching, and bye. I'm going to give away some of these items. So leave a like, and I'm going to give you some. All right. Bye.